Hi, welcome back to the second session of fractions. Today I will explain you addition of fractions. So in addition of like fractions we will learn first. For example, here is the first question: 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. These are called like fractions. In like fractions, if we are having same denominator is called like fractions. So when we are having like fraction, directly we can add the top numbers, means numerators. What are numerators here? 2 plus 5. Here denominator same, so we have to write the same number. Now this both we will add 7 by 3. We got here answer 7 by 3. Next, we'll move to the another example, that is 3 by 5 plus 1 upon 5 is equal to, now here also you can see same denominator, so we will write here same number, then the numerators here 3 plus 1 is equal to, it will become 4 by 5. Now here another example, if we will take for example 3 fractions like 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. Now here also denominator is same, so we will write here same number. Now this top numerators all we will write by putting the symbol plus is equal to, now this 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 by 6 is, here it is the fraction. Now this can be cancelled by 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6 is equal to 1. Now if you have given an unlike fraction, here in this case addition of unlike fractions, for example 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3, here you can't add direct these numbers. Why? Because here you have unlike fraction. In unlike fraction you will have different denominators, so here you can't add directly. For that reason you need to take LCM, either LCM, but here in actually we have to take LCM to find out the addition or subtraction for unlike fractions. But here I will explain you a small trick. That trick is not applicable for every problem, but here it is applicable. How? Let us see how it will work out. So students, here these two are prime numbers. Prime numbers itself, the prime number is 1 which is divisible by itself or 1 only by the two numbers, not by any other number. So this 5 is a prime number and 3 also prime number. Like this, if you have given in any unlike fractions, then you can do very easily. We'll see how. Directly you will multiply this both denominators. 5 3s are 15 by this both will be opposite multiply. You have to multiply this both opposite side. 3 3s are 9 here plus 2 5s are 10 equal to 9 plus 10 19 by 15. So if you will do in traditional method, then for 5 and 3 you need to take LCM. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. Now 5 into 3 is equal to, LCM is 15. So already we got this answer here. Then why should we do this much lengthy process? Okay children. So we'll move to the next example, that is 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 upon 6. Now here we can't add directly. Why? Because this is also unlike fractions are here, so we need to take here LCM. In this case, we can't take direct step like this because here more than 2 fractions are there. So here 2, 3, 6. Here more than 2 fractions, even if they are prime numbers, then only. But here it is 2 is prime number and 3 is prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. So we need to take LCM for this. 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 3s are 6. Again for 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So here LCM is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So here directly we can't write 6 here. The next step is, first we need to take LCM for this, and now 1 by 2 into 6 plus 2 by 3 into 6 plus 4 by 6 into 6. Means with all these fractions you have to multiply with the LCM you got. Whole by, here the LCM you need to write. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So here we need to see whether 6 will go from 2 table or not. If 6 is available in 2 table, then you need to cancel it by doing this. And here also in 3 table we have 6, 3 2s are 6. In 6 table 6 1s are 6 1s are 6. Now after cancellation, here what are left here, you need to add them. First you need to multiply and then add them. Here it is 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 1s are 4 by 6 is equal to, here 3 4 7, 7 plus 4, 11 by 6. This is the answer. Here we move to the next fractions, that is addition of mixed fractions. For example, here 4 1 by 3 plus 3 1 upon 3 is equal to, here also if you can see these both are like fractions. So here in two ways you can do this, that is 4 plus 3, this both you will get a side. Now the remaining portion is 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. Now these two if you add, then you will get 7. Now for this both, here it is 3 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. Here 1 plus 1, 2 upon 3. This is the answer. We'll move to the next one. For example, 2 1 by 3 plus 1 1 by 2. Here these both denominators are different, means unlike fractions. Here you can't do like this process. So here you need to take LCM, but here already I told you these both are prime numbers, so need not to take any LCM for these two. So if directly we will multiply them, then we will get 6 here. 2 3 2s are 6 upon, here previously I told you how like 4 plus 3, one side you will get it here. Now like this, here also 2 plus 1 you will get here. Now here 6 upon 1 plus 1, means this 2 you got here. Now these both are here. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 1, 2 by 6. Now this is your answer, but if you simplify this, you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1 by 3. This is your answer. Understand? So you also do some more practices at home. Thank you for watching.